Is your Windows experience incomplete without its dedicated app hub? Let's bring the Microsoft Store back to life. If the Microsoft Store has mysteriously vanished from your PC or laptop, or if it's acting up and preventing you from downloading or updating apps, don't worry. It's a common issue, and we've got a straightforward fix. First, let's access the Windows PowerShell, which is a powerful command line tool to do this. Click on your Windows Start button, then in the search bar, type PowerShell. You'll see Windows PowerShell appear in the search results. Crucially, we need to run this as an administrator, so right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. A user account control prompt will appear. Click Yes to grant it administrative privileges. This opens up the PowerShell window. Now, you need to carefully re-enter the command to reinstall the Microsoft Store. This command effectively downloads and installs the store package back onto your system. Type this in exactly as you see it, or pause the video to copy it accurately. Once you've entered the command, press the Enter key on your keyboard. PowerShell will now process the command. You'll see a lot of text scrolling by as it works. This can take a few moments, so be patient. If the command completes without any red error messages, it's a good sign. You can now close the PowerShell window. For the changes to take full effect, it's essential to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart your PC or laptop. After your computer has restarted, click on your Start button again. You should now find the Microsoft Store icon back in its usual place, ready to be used. Click on the Microsoft Store icon, and it should launch successfully, allowing you to browse, download, and update your favorite apps once more. This method is your go-to solution for getting your Microsoft Store back up and running, ensuring you can fully utilize your Windows device. And that's how you can easily reinstall the Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.